Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Jonathan Condor here. Very mild out the door. More record heat again this afternoon, but you combine it with stronger winds today, we're going to have a major problem with fire danger. I have the impact icons, those nuisance icons turned on because of the winds. They'll be gusting over 40 miles an hour today, and we're going to have very bad fire danger conditions. And the winds later tonight, they're going to shift directions. That is a very strong cold front. We'll look for a high today of 85, upper 80s south, lower 80s northwest. We'll see a mostly cloudy sky. Winds will be strong. We have a wind advisory. That goes until midnight. That's for winds gusting 40, 45, and there may be some pockets in northwestern Oklahoma where the winds gust over 50 to 55 miles an hour with a high wind warning out west of Guymon for wind gusts near 60 miles an hour. What do you need to know? It's going to be a very bad fire danger day. That wind will shift tonight, and then tomorrow morning, wind chills in the teens. That's right, you're going to need the winter coats. What do you have to do? Come pay me a visit. I'm going to get very specific about all those threats for today, the cold front for tonight, and then some changes this week. Colder weather, rain chance, and then there's actually a chance of thunderstorms this weekend. Hope you can join us. We stream our newscast not only on the TV, but we stream it on the app 4:30 to 7 o'clock this morning.